Today, we're taking a closer look at the LOVEVOOK carry-on luggage, a 20-inch soft-side suitcase packed with thoughtful features to streamline your travel experience. Designed with airline approval in mind, this carry-on fits comfortably within most airline size limits, including Delta, United, and American Airlines. At just 6.7 pounds, it's lightweight yet spacious, boasting a 45-liter capacity that's perfect for packing all your essentials without extra bulk. The LOVEVOOK luggage offers convenient organization for travelers on the go. It has 3 front compartments, ideal for quick access to items like boarding passes, magazines, and even your laptop. Inside, the main compartment is roomy, with straps to keep everything in place and a waterproof wet bag for toiletries or damp clothes. These features make it easy to pack efficiently and keep items separated, so you'll always know where everything is. This luggage isn't just about space, it's built for durability and smooth mobility. Crafted from water-resistant and scratch-resistant polyester, with leather accents for added style, it's designed to handle the roughest travel conditions. The 360-degree spinner wheels glide effortlessly across various surfaces, and the 3-height adjustable handle provides stability and comfort while on the move. Security is a top priority with the LOVEVOOK carry-on. Equipped with a TSA-approved lock, this suitcase keeps your belongings safe during your journey. LOVEVOOK also stands out with superior customer support. They rigorously test each suitcase and offer dedicated assistance if you ever encounter issues, ensuring peace of mind. This luggage is more than just a travel bag. It's a reliable companion that makes travel simpler and stress-free.